Hi everybody, this is Katie with The Olive, and we are back for another segment of Cooking with The Olive, where we show you how easy it is to make delicious recipes in your own kitchen using The Olive's products. Today we're going to be making The Olive's summer fruit salad. It's a really easy recipe, it's got beautiful colors and flavor, and it's great to take to your next get-together or picnic. So let's go ahead and get started. The The Olive product we're going to be using today is The Olive's Cucumber Melon Balsamic Vinegar. The first thing we're going to do to start off this recipe is work on our dressing. And we're going to start the dressing by putting 2 tablespoons of the The Olive Cucumber Melon Balsamic Vinegar into a small mixing bowl. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh mint, 1 teaspoon of fresh lime zest, and then 1 tablespoon of fresh wildflower honey. The Olive does sell a local wildflower honey as well, so check that out. Now we're just going to mix this up. Now it's time to assemble our The Olive's summer fruit salad, and we're going to start off by putting 4 cups of chopped watermelon into our serving bowl. We're going to add 1 cup of diced strawberries, 1 cup of raspberries, and 1 cup of diced and pitted black cherries. And then we're just going to mix that up. Finally, we're just going to drizzle our balsamic dressing we made over the top of our fruit and give it one more good mix. Now, before serving, we're just going to sprinkle some chopped fresh mint over the top of our fruit salad. And here's our final look at the Olive summer fruit salad. So there we have another The Olive recipe that is so easy to make at home. It looks beautiful, it smells amazing, and it tastes just as good too. So just a reminder, today we used The Olive's Cucumber Melon Balsamic Vinegar, and then also you can use The Olive's Wildflower Honey. And all of our products are able to be ordered at www.theolive.com. So make sure you go on there and grab the ingredients you need to make this delicious salad. If you do make it at home, make sure you tag The Olive, let us know what you thought. And while you're at it, go onto our Facebook and Instagram page and make sure you're following and liking us so that you can see any future recipe videos and check out all of our past Cooking with The Olive segments as well. So again, if you try this out, let us know. We hope you enjoy and have a great night.